Hi everyone, thank you for a great first day of class on August 21st. I have a quick video for you just so I can cover a few things I was unable to talk about in class today, all to really help you to use D2L effectively and to feel comfortable in this learning management system that we use with the class. So a quick reminder to all of you that in-class attendance is required. We had many awesome introductions today. Thank you, all of you who came to class on August 21st. If you missed class on August 21st, if you could please give me a call. My phone number is 303-678-3725. That information is in the syllabus too. Or you can email me at beth.wheeler, WHEELER, @frontrange.edu. And then I hope this video is super helpful to those of you who weren't in class today, since I'm giving you some tips on some things. So first tip is, here's the homework checklist. Everything that's due next Saturday at the beginning of class period is posted. There are links. One of your homework assignments is to read the syllabus. So when you click on the syllabus, you see that it comes up, and then to get back to the announcements page where that homework checklist is, you click on that ENG 121-104 link at the top of the page. And then everything you need to do for the week is there. There's quite a bit there, but I'm giving you a homework reminder, really. You know, I covered all this homework assignment in class before you left today, but everything you need for next week is listed here. And you could copy and paste this and put it into a different document and create a checklist for yourself if it's easier for you to do that, and then cross things out as you're done. I've also added a PS to the homework, so you can ask any questions in the Q&A discussion board that I said I would add, and that is added. And the last thing I want to remind all of you about is the messaging system inside D2L. So you click on the envelope to get to the messaging system, click on internal messaging. And if you need to send me a message this week to ask any questions, remember, click compose, type in my email address, which for D2L is not really an email address. I purposely made that mistake. It's a messaging system address. This address will not work if you're emailing me from Gmail. So notice when I typed bwheel, my user account came up. You can type your topic here and then type your message here. But notice that if you want to send me an email from your Front Range email account or from a Gmail account, this is the email you should use. This is the email I check using Outlook every week. And so this is the email that I check most frequently. And then I check the D2L messaging system a little less frequently, but I will definitely answer your message, of course. I'm just going to cancel out of that. Just wanted to remind you that that's how the messaging system works. Remember, again, if you want to get to the homework checklist, ENG 121-104 takes you back to that checklist. Remember, there's content here, course material content, where you uploaded your essay today was on assignments, and I've already updated attendance and grades for the first assignment you completed in class today, which was to describe a person that you love. The last thing I want to show you is something sort of silly, but I'm glad that I get an opportunity to show this to you. So our textbook is here, this guide to rhetoric. And then you know that I said in class I will sometimes upload some other textbook material or readings. So when you click on this extra textbook reading narration, you'll notice that the PDF comes up crooked. And I want to show you where you can turn the page inside D2L if you will read it in D2L. So down here at the bottom right-hand corner, there's a rotate clockwise. And so if you are going to read inside the D2L program, you can adjust that Adobe document and turn it so it's easier to read. If you download this, then you can just use whatever PDF reader you're using to turn the document. So I just wanted to give you that little tip so you're not frustrated that the things that I've copied in are crooked. I think that's all I have, you all. I hope you have a great Saturday. Again, thank you for a first class. That was so great. I'm so happy to have met all of you. And I look forward to meeting the rest of you in class next Saturday. We are in room C 1732 from 9 until 11:45 every Saturday until December 11th. And we do have a break on September 4th, no class on Labor Day. I'll talk to you next week. Have a great week.